striking sound, the survey begins, the day is begun. In boots and bright vests we make our mark, stretch and flex, 7 a.m. sharp. With Altieri's eye, each measure is true. Levels and lasers cut mornings blue. Through dust and design, with charts we align, the site reveals its sacred sign. Pavarini's managing with disciplined might, while Antinozzi shapes space into light. Gilbane builds where the groundwork runs deep, and Southport engineers visions that keep. DeStefano and Chamberlain, stalwarts and wise, raise noble frames to HLW skies. HLW skies. HLW skies. DeStefano and Chamberlain, stalwarts and wise, raise noble frames to HLW skies. HLW skies. HLW skies. Surveying the bones where buildings shall grow, in hi-vis armor, steady and slow. With PPE donned in purpose and stride, we trace the dream where steel shall buy. Yes, building the future from wire to spire. With Turner's wisdom we rise ever higher. Ace men to Bridgeport, lighting the way from hand unto hand, they're shaping the day.